My next guest has been lighting up your TV screen for 23 years. First, as the youngest panelist on The View, and most recently as co-host of Hallmark's Home and Family with Cameron Matheson for the past 9 seasons. Well, now she's here dishing and revealing secrets to her Greek vitality that we can all benefit from with her new cookbook. Please welcome Debbie Matenopoulos. Hey, Debbie, good to see you.
Hey, Dr. Ian, so good to see you too. How you doing?
I'm great. You had me on your show. Now you're on my show. Here we go.
I know, it's fantastic. I love this. Good to see you again. I'm going to cook for you today.
And listen, I will never turn down a good meal, believe me. Now listen, you guys are still in the house celebrating Christmas, and that's a little while ago. What's going on?
Right now, I'm in the home and family house, and as you know, at Hallmark Channel, it's Christmas all the time. There's only like 1 month a year that we don't celebrate Christmas. But I'm also doing it in my house as well. I mean, I have a little girl. She just turned 6 years old, and it's been really difficult for the kiddos with COVID-19. So we have been doing everything we can to sort of make regular, everyday events actually big events. We've been doing a lot of, there you see her, she's been doing makeup on me quite a bit during this time. We've been having dance parties. And we have been doing lots of crafts and cooking. I mean, I've become a regular Becky Homecki.
And you guys are making what you call Yaya's rice pudding, right?
Yes. Oh, it's my favorite rice pudding. It's called risotto in Greek. And so we made my mom's rice pudding over the break when we were quarantined, and I put it on social media, and it was a huge hit. We had a really good time making it. And, you know, for me and my family, and for Greek people in general, food is not just food. Food is about love and culture and inviting people into your home and sharing part of you with them. And, you know, I think a lot of the reason I did this cookbook is because I wanted people to understand that Greek food isn't just souvlaki and gyro and baklava and all that stuff. Listen, trust me, I love a good baklava and a gyro.
Me too. Wait, Debbie, let me tell you something. I got to interrupt you. Let me tell you something. When you talk about Greek cooking, we've always said on the medical side, in fact, you have a cardiologist who wrote your introduction, that the Mediterranean diet is so healthy. There's so many benefits, longevity, disease prevention, disease fighting. It's really important. People don't understand the benefits of Greek cooking.
It's so true. It reduces inflammation, all those things you said. I mean, the health benefits are endless, as you know, being a doctor. But the Mediterranean diet is based in Greek cuisine. And so when they say the Mediterranean diet, to me, it's always like, no, it's a lifestyle. It's just the way that my family has eaten my whole life growing up and how my ancestors have eaten for centuries. But there's a reason that people in Greece live such long, vibrant lives. I mean, there's even a place, an island in Greece that has been coined the place where people forget to die. And that island is called Ikaria. And it's one of the only 5 blue zones on the planet. And the people there live really great lives beyond 100 years old. And, you know, a lot of that is because of how they eat just whole natural ingredients from our earth. It's really simple. It's not like a big secret.
Now,